This is a visualization through a knowledge graph in order to demonstrate how not only is the volume of data expanding rapidly, but so is the complexity. As you can see, many different terms there on the screen relative to 1978, but then even more importantly, the connectedness around of that information. And so for a scientist or a researcher they're trying to find those connections and they're searching for the relevant insight and information that they need, at the end of the day, it's essentially a needle in a haystack, and the haystack keeps getting bigger. So our scientists take this information, they extract it, index it, and provide context for it, and that generates a massive knowledge graph. Then our technical teams, through data modeling, search architecture, and application development, render that information through our products, which then enable ourselves and our customers to perform analytics. To give you a sense for the size of that, this is very Google and Facebook. The technology is very similar. You know, we're approaching 8 terabytes worth of data, and our knowledge graph for the information that I've described so far has over 1.4 billion nodes. And you can see there the significant improvement in predictive accuracy of the models against all the targets. Improvements ranging from 10 to 45%, but the average improvement in accuracy here was 30%. So you can imagine the importance that this would, how important this would be to a pharmaceutical company to have that kind of increase in accuracy, so that their product pipeline, what they're pursuing through drug discovery, is the things that they're placing significant bets on these things. So now they're placing them in an even smarter way. Well, we can visualize that in a knowledge graph to see the connectedness and how many hops it might have taken for that examiner to go from the patent under examination to that conflict citation there listed in the middle column. And so we not only can we use that for the analysis, but then the visualization of that knowledge graph provides a nice analytical tool as well.